This is Scott Bonehead Guitars. Welcome to your friendly guide on how to vote in the Great Guitar Build-Off. If you're not aware, voting is now open for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021. All you gotta do is go to the Great Guitar Build-Off's website, greatguitarbuildoff.com, go to Competitors menu, choose Kit or Scratch Build, and you will see a list of all the competitors. You click on one, it'll get you to their page. There should be a little black heart. You can click on that to give them your vote. There should be a list of images too. If you're doing it on a computer with, whatever web browser you choose. If you do it on your phone, you'll have to scroll past their pictures before you see the little heart. Of course, I would appreciate it if you voted for my two builds, but I'm not telling you to do that. But please, I'm begging you, go check out all the awesome things that have been done there. A lot of people have done some really creative, really awesome, really innovative and interesting things. Go check them out. Give a thumbs up to everybody that you think did an awesome job. You can only vote once for a build, but you can vote on as many of those builds as you want. Please, go look at all the stuff that's there and give those people the recognition that they need and deserve. I've got at least 400 or 500 of you guys are always watching what I put out. You know the effort that goes into this. You know what's involved. You know what makes good stuff and what doesn't. You guys are the people that we really count on to recognize what's good and worthy of some recognition. So I need you guys who really understand and to go cast your vote for the good stuff. Not that there's bad stuff, but you know what I mean. Just go vote for the really good ones. Just please. I'm begging you. I would also like to ask, as if any of the invitationals or the judges will be watching this, but if you happen to be one of those, please do what you can to promote this and get people involved and get them to show up and vote and pay attention as much as possible. And in that vein, a big shout out to Brad and Colin and Tim and Chicks and Laura, who got your stuff in on time, took this serious, did your best to talk about it and promote it and do a good job, put pride in what you did, and, put Great Guitar Build-Off in the fucking title, or, at least mentioned it somewhere. Big congratulations to Colin. A lot of really awesome builds, and it was kind of hard to choose from, but Colin's was awesome. Big thanks to Ben for setting this up again. For everybody who's followed along and joined all of us builders on this journey and appreciated what you've seen, or even not, just, maybe you were entertained slightly. Thank you all for actually paying attention and watching, whether you thumbs up or just kept on scrolling. And thank you all for who have bothered to go check out the other stuff and vote for the people that deserve it. Just once again, please, there's so many people that have done really amazing stuff, and to be completely honest, I don't think I fit in my top 10 choices. But please, just go check everybody out and give a thumbs up to those that deserve it, or that you feel deserve it. Because we all deserve at least that effort for you to go check it out and see what you think. So, anyway, thanks for watching.